How to transfer money from USA to Belarus. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for your transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on Home, and now tap on Send Money. Now, first of all, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be USD, and now select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be Belarus. So if you try to search for Belarus, you will be able not to find it. Now, what you need to do in this case, so select Euro or USD. Now, after that, what you need to do, type how much you want to transfer, for example, $1,000, and this is how much your recipient will receive. Now, after that, tap on Pay With, and now you can select the payment method, bank account, try transfer international wire, debit card, credit card. Now, after you select the payment method, now tap on Add Recipient. Now, after that, what you need to do, so in this case, you can't find your recipient currency, you need to select the option of Find a Wise, and now search for your recipient account on Wise, and after that, you will send that money to their Wise account, and after that, your recipient will transfer that money or transfer that money to their bank on their country. So after that, as you can see, you will send that money to your recipient. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Belarus. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.